Welcome to chapter, Use of Preposition instead of Conjunction. Let's read this sentence. He is clever, besides he is hardworking. Something's not quite right. The word besides is a preposition. That means it is used to connect things like nouns. But here, we are joining two full sentences, he is clever and he is hardworking. To join two sentences, we need a conjunction, not a preposition. So the correct sentence is, he is clever and he is hardworking. Remember, prepositions like besides, in, on, or to are for linking small parts of a sentence, like objects or nouns. But conjunctions like and, but, and because are for linking full thoughts or sentences together. Let's look at some more examples where a preposition was used instead of a conjunction. Look at this one, he cannot walk, for his illness. The word for is a preposition. But here we want to explain why he cannot walk. So we need a conjunction like because. The correct sentence is, he cannot walk, because he is ill. Next, I went there, despite it was raining. Despite is a preposition and should be followed by a noun, not a full sentence. So we say, I went there, although it was raining. Although is a conjunction, and it joins the full sentence correctly. Here's one more, he passed the exam, because his efforts. This is wrong because his efforts is just a noun. After because, we need a full sentence. So we say, he passed the exam, because he worked hard. Always check, are you joining full sentences? Then you need a conjunction like because, although, or and. Let's review what we've learned and try fixing some wrong sentences. Here's the rule again, use conjunctions to connect full sentences. Don't use prepositions in their place. Try this one, she stayed home, because the weather. This is wrong because the weather is not a full sentence. We should say, she stayed home because it was raining. Next, he is kind, besides he is brave. We don't need besides here. We're joining two sentences, so we use and. Correct sentence, he is kind and he is brave. One more, they succeeded, despite the difficulties. Despite is a preposition and should be followed by a noun. If we're joining full ideas, we should say, they succeeded although there were difficulties. You did great. With practice, you'll learn when to use conjunctions like and, because, or although instead of prepositions. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.